Yeah, we out here, YouTube. Let's get it. You feel me? Another day, another dollar. You feel me? If you don't know, my name's Frisco. You feel me? We got Alex in the front. Hey, we got Migo in the back.
Yeah, out here, man. We hungry.
I'm the driver. They're the shooters, nigga.
Shooters got shoot.
Well, hell yeah, man. We about to go get
the buddy
papayas.
We hungry out here.
We got a hungry man.
Some fried chicken.
Oh, this we can
I don't want yummy.
Have you been to that?
I like the bike though.
Yeah.
Is it cool?
Yeah, it's cool. It's alright.
Better than Eddie's?
Nah. Not better than
I mean,
Better than Little Caesars?
it's better than Domino's. I'm gonna tell you
Oh,
that.
hell, Domino's on here. What you mean?
Nah, not better than Domino's.
You like Little Caesars and Domino's?
I like Little Caesars.
Ah, kill
Caesars
it.
is good though.
It's
I like
cheap.
it.
I ain't gonna lie, man.
It is,
You feel me? Once it's cheap.
Domino's cheaper
It's like,
and it's
fuck
better.
I know it's my kids got
But
that Domino's.
I'm closer
I know my kids got
to
Domino's.
Little Caesars. You're closer to Domino's, man.
I know, but I got shit.
I'm just like,
What do
it's
you mean?
like.
You got a Domino's right there in Wilson.
Oh yeah, where Payless used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot.
What the heck?
I gotta go to Domino's now. I gotta try out. But like, hey, can I get a free sample?
Free sample.
A big pizza. You feel me?
You know they killed a Lotero man like 2 weeks ago?
Oh yeah, I heard that, but that was
9th Street, California 9.
yeah, that was fucked up, bro. It's like, bro, they trying to make their money, and then people just trying to take their money. Like, man, that's stupid, bro. Like, at least go get a job, bro. You
I
feel
feel
me?
like if you're gonna rob somebody big.
rob somebody
yeah,
rich.
hell yeah.
You feel me?
Why are you gonna rob that Lotero man?
Like, man, why you coming to the ghetto, man? Go to the rich people's. You know what I'm saying?
Go rob a
They
bank,
got
man.
over
Go
there
buy from Payless.
in the
I mean, go buy
east,
from
the-
Walmart
the
or something.
east- no,
For real,
the west, they
hit
got the
something
west over
big.
there.
You know what I'm saying?
They got
If you're gonna do it,
universities,
do it
some
right.
shit over there.
Yeah, like, bro,
Look at
plan that
the
shit
right
out.
there. Oh, okay.
know what I'm saying?
What is this?
Freaking-
Cool, I like it.
What's up with these guys right now?
Nigga, they kill somebody over like what,
Unless
$400 a day? Pretty much.
Give me a burrito.
Yeah.
Give me a burrito.
Want a burrito, son?
Yeah, give me a burrito.
Yes or no?
Yeah, we're
Yeah, yeah.
Burrito? So I'm gonna flip it.
Yeah, there. Sorry.
No papayas. No papayas today.
We're good.
Oh, I didn't even tell my mom.
I don't know.
You can call her. That's why we have cell phones.
Tell
now, you feel
Gabriela
me?
the fucking some food or some
The
shit.
future is
She didn't
here,
pick
man. The future
Huh?
is here.
She didn't pick up.
Damn, look at that car.
That fucking house all fucked up.
The other one that's selling drugs over there too.
Oh, let me slow down because this kid just ran.
Yeah, they do.
Man, the parents gotta get their kid, bro.
There you go.
Mamá, ¿qué haces? Oh, fuimos a que Rey le daba hambre a un rico. ¿Quieres uno?
No.
¿Tacos o no estás bien?
Mejor unos taquitos porque no me acabo y no me acabo y yo el burrito.
Ok, ¿de cuáles?
Pues si hay de lengua o de tripas.
Lengua, tripas. Ok. Creo que no hay tripas, pero caro lengua.
Y si no hay de lengua, pues unos de bistec está bien.
Ok.
3 nomás.
¿Tres? Ok.
Okay.
Alright.
Está bien.
Aquí pues sí.
Sí, bye.
Sí.
Hell yeah, we out here, man. Let me show you the spot.
We're chill now, huh?
Hell yeah. Feel me? Hey, the spot we met Santa.
Oh, yeah. There's a old guy that looks like Santa.
We out here.
Sí.
Oh, ¿me vas una de a 100? Oh, cambiar de a 100.
Cambiar.
Alright, let me see. Let me see if I got change, you feel me?
Oh, ¿qué quieres, Gara?
I don't got change. Oh yeah, las paras? Oh yeah. Feel me?
Super y todo.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
No
Feel
on
me?
the side.
All crazy, bro. You feel me? I'm good. I don't want nothing. I'm good with that Burger King. We're good. We out here. Shit. I ain't gonna lie. It's dope out here.
I don't know if they got it. Chivo? Media's Chivo, huh?
Yeah, media's chivo.
Goats.
It's like goat.
Like a coat. Not like a goat.
Yeah. Let me go get my hat real quick. Get the- My hat. Yeah, we out here, you feel me? Taco truck.
Porque this all birria, que no?
Yeah, this is all birria, and I remember last time they said they didn't have this.
Yeah, they don't
So
have
they don't do these
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, unless you ask them and then if they have it, they have it. Yeah?
Yellow
Oh,
stuff.
then yes.
So they only got the yellow stuff
Yeah,
right,
right
now. So you don't have the orange stuff right there. Huh.
All crazy with the truck. You feel me? No Popeye's chicken. He wanted a burrito.
That's why I just get the other
Yeah.
freaking.
But oh no, they have
Fish?
Nah.
they have the egg, so I don't have it.
Nah. Just get tortillas, man.
Torta.
Nah, hell nah, get quesita.
Oh, yeah, the quesadillas. Okay.
Pastor, whatever. Pastor. Is that?
Pastor?
Yeah, pork.
Let's go that. Quesita. Pastor. Is that?
Yeah, pork.
Hell yeah, but
Three burritos.
three burritos.
Hola, ¿me puedes dar un super burrito del pastor? Con todo salsa roja. Sí, también una torta al pastor. Con todo.
Sí, no, ¿por qué? Salsa.
Verde, démosle verde, salsa verde.
Esa como esa.
Sí,
dice,
y puedes dar tres tacos.
quesita.
¿Trae lengua?
Es un pastor. Pastor.
Pues tres de asada. Con todo. Verde. Sí, también puedes dar otro burrito de asada. Super. Con todo.
He said three burritos. You guys are waiting for three burritos?
Three?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Y salsa roja.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no problem.
Super, sí. ¿You want something?
I'm smooth, bro. I'm good.
Es todo.
Oh, hey, I'm sorry. Sheesh. Hey, I don't know. I see money, bro, and I just try to grab it, bro.
No va a pagar él. No va a pagar él.
Ya pagué por él. Es un al pastor.
Ok.
Sí.
Entonces
Ok.
no te lo entrego.
Sí, sí, más quitando el de la pastor. El burrito. Sí.
Damn, someone got all this shit to the
Hell yeah.
It should be like this, you know. Hey, Miguel. La Kosomo, it's hella good with the soup.
Yeah,
like that.
Oh, yeah.
Hella good.
Kosomo. Hey, it's hella good, bro.
3 burritos.
Oh no, they already took him. And
Oh,
they're waiting for the one. Hey, look, you see the stand over there? They used to have the little tarp over it, but the wind blew it out, huh?
I heard they were gonna start taxing people
For that? For being in the corner?
for being in the corner.
That's fucked
That's
up.
why, like, most, remember there's hell of them?
Yeah.
They got rid of them, but that one's still there.
Yeah.
I guess it's paying the tax.
Man, you can't have nothing, right? Fucking assholes.
That's why I'm saying, like, that's fucked up, man.
Yeah, that's stupid, bro. Cause like trying to make a living, they're still gonna tax you.
Oh,
You gonna check it out over there?
I tried their tacos, I didn't like it.
Oh shit, look.
They were overpriced.
You got a little moped or something. That's cool. That's gas. Oh, here you go. That's tight. Tell them to let you ride it. Hell yeah.
Fit me, yo.
That shit clean, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. That's nice. It's gas?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, for sure. Hell yeah.
Bought it brand new.
Ghost Ride. I see it. I see it. Hell yeah. Oh, you got the speaker in the back too? Okay.
I mean, bumping too.
Hell yeah. I see it.
Huh?
The carro?
Yes.
Engine? It's like a fuel, right?
Right.
Hell yeah.
No electric. No electric.
No electric, it's a fuel, yeah.
Yeah, a lot better. A lot better. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yep. I got electric, but I'd rather have gas. But you know, gas to be saying like, oh, you need license and shit.
Oh,
I was like, yeah, fuck all that.
Motherfucking deal. I mean, rules, man. They pulled me over because I didn't have one.
Oh, a helmet? Yeah, true that.
Because after the
I had to
bike,
run and
dude,
buy-
I don't want my thing.
Yeah, I had to run and buy one, man.
Hell yeah, man.
Now they
Shit.
pass me by, they don't fuck with me.
For sure. Hell yeah.
Because when I do the little bike for in Stockton or something like that, I get a bike and have the head or something like that. So okay, and stop the cars and stuff like that.
Hell yeah.
We ain't got no license.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, what the
plate, man,
hell?
no license plate, but hell, I
Yep.
ride the sidewalk. When I see them coming, yeah.
Oh, yep. Ride the sidewalk be good. Yep.
Keep going, man.
Hell yeah. No, that shit clean. Hell yeah, man. That shit clean, man. How much?
600.
600? Nice, nice.
Yeah, you
Got a
got
bunch
the other
of-
one 300, dude. The electric.
Hell
Got a bunch of them
yeah.
in there,
They
though.
had that 300.
Hell yeah, man, bro.
Bike electric shit.
Yeah, man, it's for you, bro. You feel me? Hell yeah, no problem. Get something, man. You feel me? Get something. You feel me? That shit clean.
Give me something to eat.
Oh yeah, or a beer or something.
I'm
You feel
lucky
me?
'cause I ain't nothing today.
Yeah, man. Shit, grab something. Grab a beer. You feel me?
Memorial Day.
Sunday. Oh, Memorial Day tomorrow. Yup.
Yeah.
Hell yeah,
Oh,
man.
I sleep in my car, you know.
Oh, yup, man. Shit going up, it fucking sucks, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah, that shit's stupid.
Gosh, it's hard.
Yeah, man.
Motherfucker, I can
But you
put it
we stay good, OG.
on. Okay, bro.
You feel me?
I surely will, man.
All right, man. You have a good day, man.
Wait, which one's the poster?
You said my stuff is quesadilla with
Okay, gracias.
Yeah, we out here, you guys. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let's get to 50 subscribers. I'm trying to go live. Let's get it.